Got a bunch of these nasty old cushions which are used outdoors on the porch. Let's see, I have about 6 of them. And as you can see, they are really stained up from people's body sweat and dirt. They're just like older than Grandma Moses here. So I'm going to attempt to get them cleaned. Now in the past, I've cleaned them before with cleaning solutions, different things that people have said, and they never come out clean. Okay, it just doesn't work. So what I'm going to try is a new method. And there it is. New method. Pressure washing. And it's working very good. You can really see the difference. Okay, it definitely works. I wasn't really concerned about if the pressure washer would tear up the fabric because these cushions are extremely old, and all I'm using is a low power electric pressure washer. Let's see, I'm going to guess what, 1,500 pounds, 2,000 psi at the most, and it's working real good. And after years of trying all different types of chemical sprays and scrubbers and nothing ever worked, pressure washer works. And what I'm going to do is take time and clean it up real good, this cushion and the rest of them, which you don't need to bother, but I'm happy to say I'm going to have some nice looking cushions when I'm done. Okay, now I'm down to my last one to clean, and just a side-by-side comparison, and those are just shadows. So actually that came out clean, pretty clean. But these were cushions that were on their last legs and I was about ready to throw out and exchange. So I figured, oh, what the heck, I'll try the pressure washer on them. And the fabric stayed together and they're looking pretty good, and they're still good for another couple years. Now, I'm not going to guarantee that if you try a pressure washer on your own cushions, they're not going to tear, get holes in them or stuff like that. You know, since I was using a low pressure washer, and I guess the material on these cushions were pretty decent. So for what it's worth, you know, give it a shot if you want to or not, and see how it goes. Have a good one, guys.